Hey everybody.
Hello.
So today
It's chore day.
the lawn man is cutting the grass as well. Sorry if it's a little loud, but we are giving Lucy a bath today.
She dirty.
Yeah, for those of you who don't know, Lucy is our classy RV that we live in, and she needs a bath. She is a filthy, filthy girl. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna make some dinner, and we'll see what else happens. So thanks for hanging out with us.
Go have some fun.
Let's do it.
At least it's not hot out.
Yeah, that's why we decided today. It's overcast. It's not supposed to rain, so we're gonna take advantage of that.
I kind of want to time and see how long it takes us to wash her.
Yeah, I mean, we don't really
She
have
is 32 feet long.
And this is the ladder that we have. This is the ladder I use to get into my bed every night. So it's not super high, but I think we should be able to reach her bits and pieces. So let's do it.
All right.
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV. K&E RVTV. Sing it with us.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in our dinner to get started now before we start washing Lucy, because that's gonna take a while. But we're gonna have a pork loin for dinner.
Roasted garlic and herb.
And I'm throwing it in the crock pot because it'll be easy. Just cook while we're outside doing all the fun things. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. I did turn on my crock pot already, and I put it to low because we're gonna end up cooking this about 4 hours in the crock pot on low. So I'm gonna get her opened up.
Crock pots are so easy to use in the RV. I mean, they're easy to use at home too. You set it and forget it.
She juiced one.
Someone asked where we got our Mickey Mouse crock pot from.
My mom actually got it for me for Christmas years
You
back.
can find them online.
Yeah.
Just search Mickey Mouse crock pot.
They actually still sell this exact design.
We have like a little warmer one too.
Alright, so put that in the crock pot. I'm going to dump all these leftover juices on top. Rinse my hands off real quick. And then I'm going to top her off with a little more extra seasoning. I'm going to do some of my Flavor God lemon garlic. Just a good sprinkle on top. And then I have some garlic paste, and I'm just going to spread a little bit on top as well. I want it on the top so it doesn't get burned in the bottom of the pot.
Yummy.
It already smells good. The seasoning on there smells
A little garlic doesn't hurt. Just your breath. Here what she looks like.
I just spread that paste a little bit around on the top. We're going to go ahead and close her up.
How long?
4 hours on low.
4 hours on low.
Yeah, so we have to be done in 4 hours of washing.
We better be done in 4 hours. Anybody want to come help?
Right?
Like,
we'll take volunteer. Alright, this is what Lucy's getting bathed in. Some purple power wash and wax.
I don't think this is anything special.
Yeah, I don't even know where. We probably got it on clearance somewhere or something. We got our good old Firehouse pickle bucket that we use. This is also our traveling toilet when we go camping.
The lid's behind you.
I'll show you our lid that we put on. It's cool actually. It's pretty comfy. We have used it numerous times before we even got the RV because we used to go camping quite often. But it's got like a lid and everything. And it fits right on top of the bucket, so it's perfect. Zach and Cody are hanging out with us outside today. Are you gonna help wash the RV, boys? Are you gonna help? Just don't trip us on your leads, okay? We got our Crocs on so we can get our feet wet. But yeah, she's a filthy, filthy girl. And we actually, Kim wanted a projector and a screen for her birthday. So that should be coming soon. And we're gonna set it up out here so we can enjoy our backyard. So when we get that bad boy set up, we will show you all that in maybe our next home vlog. But yeah. You ready, Kim?
If this bucket would fill up.
There's all our hoses and things we got going on. The lighter hose is the one that we use for our water into the RV. And our blue hose is for washing and things like that. Since I am vertically challenged, Kim is on our little step ladder attacking the top of Lucy, and I'm hitting up the bottom. she already looks 10 times better. Like if you can see, I don't know if the camera will be able to show you, but there's the unwashed and the washed.
Doesn't help that she's white.
Yeah, but you can definitely, yeah, I think you can see the dirt line right there. But yeah, she's gonna be a project. When we were in South Carolina, before we, I don't know, when were we in South Carolina?
Before we went to Orlando.
Yes. We had all of Kim's nieces and nephews help us wash her. And I wish y'all were here right now. We could use some help.
Where you all at?
Right?
Whew. I'm pooped already, Erin. All we did was the back. Does she look beautiful? We gotta do one side a day. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, but my arms already feel like jello.
But she already looks like 10 times better.
Yeah, but yeah, because I'm doing the upper section, so my arms are constantly up in the air and pushing down like as hard as I can all at the same time. So it's not the most fun, but at least it's not hot.
Yes.
And Zachary, I keep like spraying it off, and he's just like standing there in the like in the midst of the water coming off.
He likes it.
I guess he likes it.
So they're getting baths today too.
Yeah. Our car needs a bath as well. She's filthy too.
Killed a spider.
You found a spider? Oh jeez. Yeah, you killed it? Erin's terrified of spiders. Okay, we're almost done with this side, but we need to change the water. It's gross. It's like dirty water, so I'm gonna change it out. Zachary's still just like, what's going on? Cody's being Cody. But we like to take them outside when we wash it, because when they're on the inside and we're doing this, they freak out.
Yeah.
They don't know what's going on. They try to get into the front seat because we have to take our front windshield cover off that we normally have on, so you can't see inside. So then they try to get into the front seat, and it's not a good situation. Erin, you're doing a great job. We're gonna be sore tomorrow. Oh, yeah, for sure. So sore. I don't know if you can see the difference in the camera, but we wash this side up here, and this side is filthy still. It's crazy. Whew. I'm tired, Erin. And I just went inside to go to the bathroom, and it smells really good in there. Like, oh my god, look at your face. Look at me. You got suds all over your face and in your hair. Alright, let me get back up there. Woo, she is all clean. Whew, I'm so pooped. But I'm so happy that we did this. She was so dirty.
So bad.
Like, now, this beast is next. And these beasts. These stinky beasts, we figured while we have all this hose and soap and everything out. I mean, we're not washing the dogs with the car washing soap.
Especially since Zach got wet already.
Yeah, Zach was already soaking wet because he's been following us around. But yeah, at least we're getting our chores done. Yep. Can we relax now?
We're all done.
Oh, except for we need to wash ourselves now.
Yeah, we washed Lucy, the car, and the boys. And Kim, you
Clean
said you
babies.
timed. You said you timed how long it took to wash the RV.
It was an hour and 22 minutes.
Alright, an hour and 22 minutes from us tag teaming her.
Both of us at the same time washing her.
Yeah.
That just Lucy, that's how long it took.
Yeah. But luckily it wasn't too hot, so it wasn't miserable.
Well, yeah, but
like you said earlier, we'll be paying for it tomorrow. We'll be sore.
Yeah, especially since we did the car and the dogs too.
Yeah. But now everybody's clean.
We figured since we had all the stuff out to do it.
Exactly. And especially after Zach got wet, it was like, alright, well, he had to get a bath anyway, so. Yeah.
Much needed.
She looks so much better.
So much better.
So much better.
I know you guys probably can't tell on camera.
Yeah, but we know, trust.
But we know. Trust.
The only thing is we didn't clean the roof.
Well, yeah.
I gotta lose some more pounds if I'm climbing this ladder.
Yeah.
So.
I've never even been on our roof before. But she gorgeous. Whew. Time for dinner.
I know, I'm so glad we're doing crockpot.
Crockpot dinner.
Because we already threw it in. She's been cooking. So
And every time we walk inside, it smells amazing.
God, it smells incredible in there. Our pork loin in the crockpot.
Alright, let's go wash our booties.
Alright. Alright, Kim's hopping in the shower right now. And we got our pork loin going in the crock pot, and then I'm just going to pan roast some broccoli to go with it. We're also going to have some mashed potatoes. So I just want to show you what I got going on. Oh, and we have this awesome new oil sprayer that a wonderful subscriber, Sharon, got for me. I'm so excited. You're so thoughtful, Sharon, and it works amazing. So yeah, thank you so much. All right, so we just pulled the pork loin out of the crock pot, and I set on this cutting board, and we're gonna let it rest about 10 minutes. Again, the pork was in the crock pot on low for 4 hours. I finished up my broccoli, and now we're gonna make some fancy mashed potatoes. Just kidding, they're not fancy, but they're easy, and we really like them. They work well for us, and I use my handy dandy old school Rubbermaid bowl that I'm pretty sure was like Tupperware. I'm pretty sure it was Kim's parents' bowl back when she was a kid, and it's literally one of my favorite cooking things that I've ever used, even out of the RV. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those started. I'm just gonna heat up the water in the microwave for 5 minutes and mix in the mash. I also did about a tablespoon of butter in there. Yummy! I'm excited. It looks good, right? It's cutting pretty easy as well.
Yeah, normally you can tell by how easy it cuts. Are you doing the happy dance?
Dinner is ready. So we have our pork tenderloin, our white cheddar mash, and our pan-seared roasted broccoli.
Yum! We got the barbecue sauce. I put it in the whole bits perfectly. I'm trying to get to the bottom. We got our Coke, cherry Coke Zero.
And I have a little Worcestershire. I don't know if I'm gonna need it or not, but I do like it.
Yeah, we just bought the sauces just in case. Ooh. Yeah, there's a look. Mine looks beautiful. Thank you, Erin.
Well, don't thank me yet. I'm gonna try it down.
Should I thank the Crockpot? What you think?
It's good. I wish I had a little more flavor. I should have added a little more seasoning or something.
To the pork itself? Yeah.
Yeah, I trust it because on the package it looks really well seasoned, you know, the juices and seasoning that were in there. But I should have done a little more. But I mean, it's good. I want more flavor.
Okay.
More flavor. All right, Kim's taste test.
Should I just try the pork itself, or should I do it all together?
Whatever you want.
I normally like put everything.
Yeah, I would say do that since I think it's lacking a little flavor. So go for it all.
Well then, no. Let me taste it by itself.
Okay.
Oh. I don't think so.
No? I just like maybe a little more robust.
If anything, maybe it's a little too dry.
Too dry?
Maybe 4 hours was too long.
It's hard because sometimes they're cut a little different. You know, they're thicker, thinner, so.
Oh, that's good. I like it.
Yeah? Broccoli's good. Mash is good.
I eat the broccoli. Yeah. Delicious.
Alright, I'm gonna dig in now.
You know what I want? Applesauce.
Oh my god, that would be great. You're so right. So many times we eat pork, we're like, man, I wish we had applesauce.
Oh.
Alright, keep that in mind. Does anybody else like applesauce with their pork? Let us know in the comments.
Loving our view here.
Oh, yeah.
We decided to eat in the front yard today.
Yeah.
At this table.
View. And now we're farther away from the bugs by the trees.
That too. But the temperature out is like fantastic. It's not too hot. It's not cold at all. It's not humid.
Not
it's
even
like beautiful.
It's very comfortable.
Probably take the dogs for a little walk after this.
Yeah. I was trying to talk him to maybe doing a fire. I don't know. We'll see.
I am exhausted.
I know. That's why. Because she doesn't stop when she's making a fire. She's like stands over it the whole time. Feeds it. A little bit of a pyromaniac, I think.
I'm a bit of a pyromaniac. But this dinner is very, very delicious.
It's tasty. Kim's out here judging me. I'm waxing the car, the hood, with avocado oil. She's missing some paint. I didn't do the best job of waxing her over the years. So this is what it looks like right now.
She already did this side.
So what we're gonna do, you gotta use a microfiber towel. Gonna spray some oil, and then I just rub it in.
And it actually
some oil.
It actually makes it look good for a little while.
Yeah. Because avocado oil has the highest what is it called, burning temperature?
Burn, yeah.
So it stands up to the sun because it can take some really serious heat. So one day I was like, you know what, because I tried waxing her. I bought all the kind of freaking fancy waxes you could buy, everything. I tried a couple different things. Nothing made any difference. So I was like, I'm gonna figure this out.
Yeah, because once it gets past a certain point, there's no return.
So I did a little research, and this is what I came up with.
Dun, 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 dun. Look at it now. It actually looks like a million times better.
So strange.
This is how you wax your car, people. Oh God. This is a what not to do tutorial.
Yeah,
do not follow our instructions. We are not professionals.
Not at all.
We're at one of our favorite places here in Tennessee. The beautiful field next to our park. The beautiful view, and it's super quiet, super chill. Perfect to come here at sunset. And it's so nice out tonight. And it gives a chance for the dogs to run around a little bit. They're old men, but especially Zachary still likes to run a little bit. Get him some exercise. We've been cooped in the RV, even though today they were outside like all day with us. Come on, Corey! Come on, baby! Come on! Hi!
Thanks so much for hanging out with us tonight. Or today, I should say. It was all day experience. But we got Lucy washed. We got the cars washed. We got the dogs washed. We got ourselves washed. And we had dinner in the Crockpot. Luckily, it was super easy for, you know, I didn't have to do a lot when we were already doing a lot. So it worked out great.
Yeah, we enjoy being able to show you all aspects of our full-time RV life. Yeah. Even the bad parts.
Yeah.
The fact that we have to wash our house.
I wouldn't say it's bad, but it's not, you know, the most
It's not fun. No, it is not. Most people pay other people to do it, but
yeah,
we don't have that luxury.
Yeah, and luckily we're able, you know, we're able to do it. And it took us an hour and 24 minutes. Well, to watch Lucy, but
yeah, the whole thing was like 3 hours.
Yeah.
But yeah, now we're gonna relax.
Yeah, just watch some TV and chill. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Make sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss all the fun that we're up to and the not so fun sometimes. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. We would really, really appreciate it. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye guys. Bye. Have a good night.